Channel. In this video, I will be showing you in detail how to get the memo on Bitget 2024. For that, I'll have break down this video into similar steps. So all you have to do is to follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So first thing is we need to go to the wallet section in the Bitget application. So once you're in the wallet section, just go in the receiving end, and once you're in the receiving end, all you have to do is to search for the any sort of token that you want to deposit in. For example, I'm gonna go with the hamster. So here you can see that there's a hamster token with the tone chain. So let's go with it. Wait for a few seconds. So here you guys can see that the address is right over here. So for this chain, there is no memo uh, because Bitget doesn't allow the memos for some chains. So if your token has the memo in it for the requirement, you will see the memo underneath the address. So that's how you can do it. I hope you find this video helpful.